Hey there, it's Jim. Got a Stihl 200T. Seems like on these little guys, if something's gonna go wrong, it's always two things. But anyways, had a tank hose with a hole in it, and she was a little finicky after that still. So I think I got her sorted out. I said get her good and hot. She's good and hot. So yeah, had the cracked tank hose, and then the tank vent was also not functioning. So like I said, quite often it seems like it's two things. So anyway, she's good now. Returns to idle, no hanging idle, no issues there. So fires right up. Have a good one.